About selling your home in the next few weeks or even few months, this video is a must for you. If you want also a personal advice about your house or your neighborhood, reach out to me today. I will leave my information in the description below. We can book a free consultation, and also make sure to subscribe and like this video so other people can watch that as well. Let's start now. So the first part, we need to understand your why. So before we're talking about painting, staging, or all of the different stuff, we need to understand what is your reason for your move. Are you want to upsize, downsize? Are you moving out of state? Knowing your motivations help us guide everything from your pricing strategy and also to your timeline. If you work with a realtor who understands your goal, the process becomes a lot more easy and less overwhelming. So the next step, after we understand your motivation and what is the reason that you want to move, we need to talk about timing. Portland have some seasonal timing when it's coming to real estate. Spring and early summers tend to be the hottest month for sellers, but every situation is unique. The right time for you may depend on work relocation, schools, interest rates, or also inventory, or even any other reason that you have. The best time to prepare for you selling your home is between 30 to 60 days. So in that time frame, you can know where you're moving to and what is your timeline and how to get ready for that. Part 3 is prep your home. This is where you set yourself to make more money and attract more buyers to your house. Here is what I recommend. Number 1, start with a professional deep cleaning and make sure that you clean everything. If it's the windows, baseboards, carpet, just make sure that everything is very, very clean and ready all the time. That can make a big difference when you do the professional pictures and also in showings. Number 2, declutter and depersonalize. You want to make sure that the buyers imagine themselves in their home and not actually coming to visit you in your home. So what you need to do is depersonalize, take some family pictures off, also some big furniture, remove them as well. Number 3 is minor repairs, leaky faucet, loose cabinet, some touch-up of paints. These small repairs can make a huge difference, and believe me, buyers notice everything. Number 4 is curb appeal. First impression is huge. Maybe put a new doormat, trim some hedges, even put some seasonal flowers in the entrance of the door. Moving forward, one of the smartest things that you can do is a pre-listing home inspection. It helps you find any small repairs that need to do in the house before the buyer. It puts you in control, and it can also prevent you from any deal breakers or any small negotiations at the end of the transaction. If during the inspection you find something major that you need to repair, you have 2 options: or you can fix it, or you need to disclose it. Building trust with the buyers is a big thing to do. Number 5, and the most important from everything, pricing your home correctly. Let's be honest, overpricing is the number 1 reason for sabotaging your home sale. In the Portland market, buyers are savvy. If you're overpriced, your home will sit. And the more time it will sit, the more buyers gonna ask what is wrong with the house. When we price the home correctly from the beginning based on data and local trends, we are able to sell the house for the most money possible, and sometimes even get into multiple offer situation and even spark the price up. This is where having an experienced agent on your side is crucial. Moving forward to professional marketing, the days where you just stick a for sale sign in the yard are gone. My professional marketing includes professional photography, drone pictures, 3D and floor plan, and also strategic social media marketing and audience targeting to active buyers. And I'm also an active and aggressive agent, which make me very different than anybody else. This is what gets more eyeballs on your home and also get more buyers through the door. Remember, you only have 1 chance to make a good first impression, and you want to make sure that your homes shine online before everybody gets a chance to put even a step in your house. Selling your home is a major decision, and you don't have to do it by yourself. If you're thinking about selling your home in Portland, rather if it's in the next few weeks or if it's in the next few months, I would love to help you create a custom game plan. So reach out to me today so we can book your free consultation. I will walk through your home, give you an honest advice, and together I can show you how I can maximize the sale price of your home. Again, my name is Amit Amshalom, your local real estate expert. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to do a like so other people also can watch it, and make sure also to subscribe for the next video so you can be updated of what more to come. And if you're planning to move, if you're moving out of state, job, upsizing, downsizing, let me know in the comments below. If you have any questions, I would love to help you as well with everything.